You dare! Sorry. Take 2. Greetings, fellow human. We are Group 5. Welcome to Oceanográfic.
Oceanographic is the largest oceanographic aquarium in Europe. Amazing, isn't it?
And more surprisingly, Oceanográfic has also connections to Conic sections. Wow! And that is this cast by our group. The Oceanográfic, or also known in Spain as El Oceanográfico, it is designed way back 1958, built in the year 1996, accomplished on the year 1997, and officially opened on February 14, 2003. It is integrated inside the cultural complex, also known as Ciutat de les Arts y de las Ciencias, or City of Arts and Sciences. Now let's proceed to the trivia and facts about the Oceanographics. First is price of admission tickets. Did you know that the prices of tickets for the admission to the aquarium varies depending on age and numbers of individuals? Amazing, right? Did you know that the most famous architectural aspect of Oceanographic is its central parabola-shaped structure? And that was designed by the famous architect Felix Candela, and it represents water lily. Did you also know that when the Oceanographic first opened in 2003, it became the largest oceanarium in Europe? Yeah, it's also amazing, right? Now let's proceed to the architectural background of Oceanographic. The architect behind Oceanographic was Felix Candela. Candela's fascination with thin shell structure was pictured in his studies at La Escuela de Arquitectura de Madrid. He is an extraordinary athlete and facile student. He supplemented his formal training with an independent reading on techniques for the steel fiber reinforced concrete thin shell structure was designed by renowned architect Felix Candela at the age of 87 in 1997. The dimensions of this architectural design are 56 feet high and 68 feet wide. Oceanographic structure and construction. These photos shows how oceanographic structure looks like when it was still under construction. Oceanographic structure has different angles from outdoors and indoors. The outdoor design shows thin shell parabola-shaped structure.
Let's now proceed to the interior or inside of the Oceanographic. The inside of Oceanographic has a lot of areas and sections that includes the aquarium and the underwater restaurant. The aquarium has a total of about 1,200,000 square feet, and the total water capacity is about 42 million liters. The water capacity already includes the dolphinarium that measures up to 26 million liters, as the ocean tank that measures up to 7 million liters. There's a lot of types of marine animals that can be found in the Oceanographic Aquarium. The total number of animals in the aquarium is about 45,000. Such animals belong to the 500 various kinds of species. These species include the sharks, dolphins, penguins, sea lions, sea turtles, reptiles, and other fishes. Oceanographic has also an underwater restaurant where you can eat a lot of foods, especially the delicacies or specialties of Valencia, Spain. The shape of this building is inspired by a lily. Moreover, this building has 2 floors. The lower floor surrounds by a grand aquarium, while the upper floor is designed like an island that is located at the middle of the big lake.
Conic sections applied. The conic sections applied or can be seen in the Oceanographic is parabola. Arcs and domes with the shape of the parabolas have been known and used since antiquity. They have some particularly load-bearing properties, and they still feature prominently as aspects of modern architectural design.
Oceanographic has a unique architectural design. It is the first structure that captivated our eyes. We choose this architectural design on the reason that the shell structure of it represents as the boundary or the protection of the sea animals or creatures inside of that building. There are also some endangered fish on the aquarium inside that needs to be preserved and protected. Therefore, we found out that conic sections are indeed part of learning architectures and they are not just shapes. To make a good structure of building, there are conic sections could be applied to make it more substantial and imperishable. That's also make our architect awesome. They do not just draw. They do considering and critically thinking just to make a unique and stout architectures. Does not matter how long the process is as long as they make it uniquely substantial to entertain the audiences who could possibly go in there.